We all know the convenience of swiping a card, but what about mobile wallets? In Southeast Asia, one name dominates: GrabPay. But is it just another payment app, or is there more to it? Let's dive into the world of GrabPay and unveil the bank behind the ubiquitous green icon. Intrigued by the rise of super apps? Grab started as a ride-hailing service, but it's morphed into a super app, offering everything from food delivery to financial services. GrabPay, its integrated wallet, is a key player in this ecosystem. But with so many options, is it a bank or something else entirely? The plot twist: GrabPay isn't a bank, but here's the catch. Surprise! GrabPay itself isn't a bank. It acts as an e-wallet, partnering with established financial institutions for the heavy lifting. In Singapore, for instance, your GrabPay balance is held securely with DBS. This means Grab focuses on the user experience, while trusted banks handle the financial regulations. So, who's behind the scenes? A region-by-region breakdown. GrabPay partners with different banks depending on the region. Here's a quick rundown. Singapore, DBS Bank. Malaysia, Maybank. Indonesia, several partners, including Bank Central Asia, BCA, and BRI. Philippines, Metrobank. Beyond payments, the perks of GrabPay. While payments are core, GrabPay offers more. Imagine ordering food, booking a ride, and paying bills, all in one app. You can also top up your mobile phone credit, split bills with friends, and even invest in wealth management products, depending on your location and partnership. The verdict: GrabPay, the convenient way to go cashless. Whether you're a resident or a visitor, GrabPay offers a seamless way to navigate Southeast Asia. From hailing rides to grabbing a bite, it simplifies everyday transactions. Remember, it's not a bank, but a powerful e-wallet backed by established financial institutions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.